Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. You've probably seen some of our starters on our website, and today I'm introducing one of the newest. This is a Ford 6.4 starter. It is a high torque starter. I think they advertise it as having 4 horsepower. So it's great for turning over those high compression diesel engines. Another use for the starter is in all of our Cummins adapters. So the Cummins to Chevy, the Cummins to 5R110, and the Cummins to Allison adapter kits do utilize the 6.4 starter. So now, when you purchase our kit, you can also bundle it with our starter that we have here, and you can get it all at once and not have to worry about sourcing the products from somewhere else. So if you want to find out more about this starter and any of our other starters, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.